Yo, what is up, everybody? Jumping here, and today I'm going to be talking about Eileen the Crow from Bloodborne. This is an NPC that a lot of people have been confused about, so I'm going to quickly go over the quest line and tell you what you need to do, what are the triggers, and I'm also going to be showing you how to cheese the final NPC you have to fight. And the cheese is absolutely ridiculous and makes it extremely easy. So let's go ahead and do this. Alright, so you need to do this at the very beginning of the game. This is Central Yardom, and you need to go and talk to this woman before you fight the first boss. If you fight the first boss, no matter what, if you beat it, if you die, if you quit out, she will disappear, and when it happened to me, I never got her to reappear. Maybe she does, but I never could find her. So, do not fight the first boss, go and talk to her, and then once you talk to her, that should allow you to trigger her later in the game, and then if you can rescue her for the second part, that will trigger the third part, and that is the final part. Alright, so you need to break these crates over here, and you might know this area because this is where that old woman is, the one who wants to be rescued. She's kind of annoying, but if you run past her house, and you go to like this top part over here, there's going to be some barrels and crates. You can break these and roll through them, and you're going to be on this top part. Now, even once you're up here, this is still kind of hidden because once you break these barrels, it's going to be right here. She should be standing there, and you can talk to her. She'll give you some stuff, and then later on in the game, she's going to reappear. Alright, now the second time that she's going to appear, you need to rescue her. So, you need to rush to the tomb or the graveyard area where you fought the second boss, and she should be there. Now, she will go there, and this will trigger once you open the door in Cathedral Ward. It has to be the door that you either buy the key for 10,000 echoes, or you wait until you beat the third boss, then you can go up the one tower, you can come down, and you can open the door that way. So it's up to you which way you want to do it, if you want to do it earlier or if you want to do it later. But once that door is open in Cathedral Ward, then you can actually go ahead and trigger this, and you can come back to Central Yardom, rush there as soon as you can, and then you're going to have to fight this NPC. Now, this NPC is kind of OP, and he might give you some trouble early on, so you might want to wait until after the third boss just because you'll be stronger. But keep in mind that the Crow Lady will actually help you. She will gank this NPC with you. So, that is something you can do to make it a lot easier. You might have to fight him by yourself for a little while, but once you are fighting him, she'll appear and then she'll help you. Now, the final part of this NPC side quest is the hardest part by far. You will find her in front of the Grand Cathedral. This is after you beat the spider boss. This will trigger. When you come up here, you can talk to her, and then when you go into the Grand Cathedral, there's going to be an NPC. And this guy is the most OP NPC in the game. And that says a lot because there's a lot of really OP NPCs. But this guy is something else. And I was fighting him and he was kicking my ass left and right. I got him down to one hit, right? And he gun parried me and one-shotted me. I was so mad. At the same time I was fighting him, my friend was fighting him too. And my friend was like, yo dude, I think I just found out a cheese. Tried this. And he told me what to do. I did it. And I was like, I have to share this with everyone. All you gotta do to beat this guy and cheese him is to run up to him, get him to transform his weapon so he's two-handing his katana, and he's gonna aggro, run away, run down the steps, and then he's going to de-aggro. And if you keep him de-aggroed, so don't run back up to him really quick because he will re-aggro. If you keep him de-aggroed, he will walk back to the starting point, and at that point, you could just go ahead and light a bonfire. You can roast some marshmallows and camp this one out. That's what I'm doing. And it's kind of fun watching him die because he is a real asshole. Now, my friend that told me about this was Wise Noob. And his name is very fitting. He couldn't beat him, so he's a total noob. And he came up with this cheese, so he's pretty wise. Anyway, so we're going to sit this one through. And it takes a long time for him to die. You can kind of see how OP he is because of all his health. He has like 3,000 something health. It's really crazy. He will constantly shoot you, and his gun does a lot of damage. If he gun parries you, you are getting one-shotted probably. It's horrible. He will heal himself. He hits like a truck. It's ridiculous. But once he's dead, you can go and talk to the girl. And I'm going to be showing that. So if you guys don't want any spoilers, you might want to skip that part. But yeah, I'm going to go talk to her. And I believe you can join her covenant. I'm not too sure how the covenants work, because only one covenant I know of, they actually will ask you, do you want to join? This one, I never got the option, like, do you want to join? I think you automatically join when you do the quest, though. So, the covenant is the Hunter of Hunters, and I believe it's kind of like the Blue Sentinels, at least it sounds like that. You hunt bad hunters, and he is dead, so what up? Anyway, we're going to go and run down to where she's at, and we're going to go and talk to her real quick, and she's going to give you basically everything you want. At any point during this quest, if she dies, you can still get her badge, and you can make her weapon, you can buy her armor.
Don't you ever listen to your elders? No matter. You did save my life. I don't seem to be apt for this life anymore. My glory days were long ago now. I know. Here. For you. This too is hunter's work. But it bears no honor. A burden you may choose to carry. The decision is yours alone. Oh. My eyes grow heavy. Let me rest a while. I'll be fine. Just wait.
Alright guys, well we just got everything from her. We got the Covenant rune, we got her badge, so now we can pretty much get everything. So her Covenant rune will give you stamina recovery speed up, which is pretty fucking good. I don't know the percentage, like how much this gets it up, but it seems pretty good, I think. And you can also go ahead and buy her weapon, the Blade of Mercy. You can buy her armor, which is the Crow's armor. The weapon is 40,000 echoes, which is quite expensive, but it is a really fun weapon to use for a skill build. And the armor is pretty decent as well. It has like a beak for the mask, which is kind of creepy. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So I hope this has helped you understand this questline better. If it has, will you please like the video for me? Be sure to favorite it as well. And also, it would be awesome if you guys could subscribe for future Bloodborne content. I really hope everyone has a very nice day, and peace out.